Okay, so before we can install the projector light, we just have to remove this here. It's just a matter of prying out with a plastic pry tool. That's out, and we just remove this. There it is, and we just unplug this cable. There's a little tab that we push here to pull it out. So that's the new light there. I've hooked it in, and there's the projector image there. And to install this back, we just have to push in on the side with the connector first, and it just clips in. And that's it. Job done.